Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix the Steam content file locked error message. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So to fix this, you first need head over to the Start menu and search for Network Reset, and then click on Network Reset and press Now, then select Yes. And once you've done that, head back over to the Start menu, search for SMD, and then right-click on the command prompt and run as administrator. In this window, type in net sh winsock reset and hit enter. Then you can close out of this window and you'll need to restart your computer. Once computer's restarted, head over to the Steam shortcut on your desktop and we're going to right-click on this and select Run as Administrator. Then once you have the Steam application running, click on the Steam icon in the top left-hand side. Select Settings, then click on Downloads, and underneath the download region, change this to the closest region your location. So for me, that's going to be this. And then you can close out of this window and check to see if that's now solved your issue. If it's still not working, you can also try disabling any antiviruses that are currently installed on your PC. Sometimes this can also fix the error message. And that's it. So that's basically how you can fix the Steam content file locked error message. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.